take your time. Scatter them out. Scatter them. Oh. Good morning with that set mirror. Set mirror with that. Set mirror with set.
Yeah, Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Where's that jerky? How long before chicken ready? Thank you. Them, how much minutes? How much? I want walkless school. But me not too mind them, you know. Me not want them jerk too fast. Oh, you say, let me turn them over there, Mr. Merv. Let me go on here. Yeah, man, that can't turn, man. Remember, man, you lose the jerky now, you know. Yeah, man, them, I saw more want them turn. I don't want them turn, no. I don't want them jerk, no pan a higher flame. Yeah, man, turn him, jerk, man. You lose it. Yeah, man, turn him, man. Remember, say jerking is a thing where you turn over and over, you know, just wait for, yeah. Because I must have somebody cool, yeah, man, turn it over, man. Make the juice then get for drip out. Something where you turn over and over, yeah. Some part we ready for turn and some to how you have the thing in there, you see. All it a build up in there now is a bag of ashes. Put back that, because the cold one scatter out, Murphy. You see that color here with them a come with, Papa? Yeah, man, them color them want. Try turn that, you see that? Yeah, man. Murphy, me get the jerking thing locked, you know. Yeah, man. I'm not tell us to put back that, make it go on, because it's cold down here, so. Yeah. It want to sort out some more. Let me see that piece here. Can't myself, you know, yeah. That can't put back, but now you're turning my ready. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Get time. They say them one ain't already yet. That one is supposed to can turn, you know. Yeah, man, turn that, man. Yeah. It'll go. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, take your time. Scatter them out. Scatter them. Oh. Scatter out the coal. Scatter out the workless coal. Man. Cover. Jerky. Put some down here. That's in hand. Yeah, down a bottom. Put it down at the end right here, so. Down here, so. Push it down. Yeah. Yeah. Scatter them out. Yeah. Yeah, Uncle Murphy make them sister you that, you know.
Yes, fine.
They call your co-worker then sister, I flex, I do that. I flex the pan it, yeah. Lock him down, the flex. You come into cove, you like to do things slow.
Slow and easy.
So jerky.
Don't need to worry. You get it.
Boy, if you're ready for them, you know, Murph. What you say? Ready one.
Yes.
Ready one. Yeah, it smells nice. I come off of it. Yo. Ready one. You say you're ready for them, Murph? Ready to over them, Murph? Are the right thing that you know from your see stripe there?
Yes.
Right, Murph. Yeah, it's the from your see stripe a frat there?
Yeah.
The right thing that you know if you stripe now frat it not good. No good, yeah. Yeah, Murphy, what in there? You can probably put one. Yeah, do them fast. Turn them over fast, yeah.
You move them and make.
Yeah, man, and put there. Sometimes you can shift front somewhere, you see,
yes.
like it there. Yeah. Right. I like how them are come, Murphy. I like them, Murphy. Yeah. Nice. And slow, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Nice and slow. Wow. Beautiful. Murphy, where you say you're ready for the poopa Jesus? Oh, Murphy. Yes, sir. Tell me lie. Yeah, I think you should have, Murphy, instead of one here, put him in the middle and move this foot this, so yeah. Not looking bad, Murphy. People them come and them feel nice and them feel good. Now 2023, this year, them see them come look free. So you see, All the part time we get. Uncle Murphy that in a party. Man, do not think of me, you know. Must stripe up them boy, you know. Murphy, I first, make a ease off. I can give them a shot. I can give them a shot. I can give them a shot. Yeah. Yeah. Uncle Murphy, you look like a real jerky. Where you say jerky? Jerky. You know? Why that me not tell you like you don't get nobody because the ladies them not really interested in a painter. A jerk man, they want you right now, a jerky. A jerky, they want you now, a jerky them. Yeah. Terence, me think you like it or a jerk. No. So comment and tell me jerky or painty. Jerky. Jerky for me, you know, because look here all the while I get food for it at Christmas time alone, painter man get work. Yeah. Alright, that the pan him thing, my deal with them something upon the second now. Yeah. Alright. First done. First coat done instead. There, so I'm going to take on the second coat. Uncle Murphy run there jerk. I don't know, sugar and boy in business. I'm going to do anything. Yeah. So there was a left right here, so?
Yeah, man. Stay around dry.
Yeah, at you. At you. Alright, Paris, see Uncle Murphy there now, so him look now, you know. So I'm going to comment and tell me I'm going to him look. So I'm deal with it on the level, slow and low.
And low.
Yeah. And you, as you can see, they are being cooked. And you can see that the chicken has shrink more and more. Them are jerk. Because we say they full up the something. And now, this is the color we like. Slow. We don't really want to hold it for fire underneath if you burn it up. Slow. And so all the piece you can, you see, that's one of the big. Some of them leg and tie already, you know. Some you don't get the part. Something I wash out the thing. And we can move off some of them leg and tie. The breast them. Yeah, all the breasts here look like it already. Yeah. The big hefty breast them. And this one turned on the side, alright. This one. Yeah. But some of the leg and tie them ready. We don't want them come out dry. So just wet them with a red stripe once more. I can wash out the something. See? Yeah. Proud of your mouth. What? I don't know if it from one piece taste but the whole light taste good.
Yes, one piece where we just.
Sorry, look.
I that take up.
Yeah. And that I breast.
Yeah. Breast.
Show them the breast and let them know it's best.
See there? Jerky. Red like Freddy.
Yeah. Taste it, Merv. I mean, hey. Make them man know say, yeah. Tell them say you step up now. You know, do nothing, not start mackerel again. A jerky, a jerky. Yeah, Paris, see there. Yeah, touch my boy, touch me. Big up yourself. Yeah. Uncle Murphy say, right here now, I'm not deal with the salt mackerel too much again this year. A chicken in my jerk. Yeah.
I'm going to jerk pork next time.
Yeah. In Mother Road, Murph.
Mother Road. And jerk some beef. Jerk beef.
Yeah, them not can jerk beef. Pretty, Parry, pretty. Juicy and nice. Yeah. Next. Uncle Murphy?
Yes, Parry. Yes, we finish. We just take a little sample again.
Very irresistible.
Yeah, tell them we couldn't go man with peace. Eat peace right here.
Yeah, because we don't cook rice, but to the bother, so we just carry our own. Uncle Murphy eat some of him.
Yes,
so
it
was a good day, Uncle Murphy.
Yes.
We got a little thing that we wanted to get accomplished. We got it accomplished. So true that never couldn't record for it to the kind busier. Deal with them if you deal with and go show and do something and me works up me tired so till they look bad.
Yes,
so yeah, so we are left with for now.
Hands and heart together.
Together, so, yes. Yeah. She'll give you some big pork, but I'm telling you to make it pork stay. God's willing all being well when we come back. We saw them big and powerful yes. We make soup, but we don't put a lot of them the nice soup, them big.
How you call them, man?
What's your name? Commander. Yeah. Commander. The red one them.
Okay,
yeah.
The red one them. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, party.
Yeah. Blessings.
Every time.
Yeah. Sorry, I am very much, oh, I'm so dark. I am very much here, and we are gonna head home right now. And I just want to say thanks for staying with us. I saw you like the salt mackerel video, and we are trying our very best to come as we go along with more and more St. Mary content. But sometimes we have like a problem here, as me tell you. Because things are like a drag foot going, but you know, things are stepping up a bit and we are working on it. A lot of what we're working on. It rain give we a little bit of break and we are giving thanks. So things that we had that couldn't have been done during the rain, we are trying to get up to it now. My mouth looks shiny here because I'm a piece of the jerk chicken, yeah. So look here, from St. Mary, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things and continue to watch our videos. If you're here and if you're new and you don't understand what is happening, well, we welcome you. And I'm encouraging you to go back to our older videos. Know who I am. Debbie from down a yard. Hear all my, you know, struggling, all my ups and my downs until I am here doing what I'm doing. Remember to give me a like on my videos. Remember to make sure you're subscribed. Remember to make sure you turn on your post notification. Because look here, St. Mary, I got at that area.